Hello, and today I'll be turning this into this safe. The first thing I did was attach an 8x8 LED matrix and an Arduino motor to the pin code lock. I made a cardboard frame around the lock. I then extended it for the actual safe compartment and added a bearing on top. Now it can spin! I made the safe's outer shell using plywood and added a number map to the lock, so now you can see what you're pressing. I then put everything together and gave it a much needed coat of paint. And voila! The final product. The safe might seem quite small, but I could still fit a Rubik's Cube, a mouse, and $25,000 worth of cocaine in the safe perfectly fine. Wait a minute. Here's a test run of the safe. First, you enter the pin, which in my case is 5441. Now you can access your valuables. In my case, it's Half-Life Free for the 3DS. Wait a minute. Anyway, after 10 seconds the safe spins right round to its original position and locks itself until you enter the pin again. Now I'll show you how the wiring is set up. The wire connecting digital pin 2 and the bottom pin of the button matrix is removed. The buzzer pin is moved from D10 to D13. The servo motor signal pin goes to digital pin 2. The CLK, CS, and DIN pin on the LED matrix get connected to digital pin 12, 11, and 10. The circuit gets powered by a 9-volt battery connected to a buck converter. I left the code in the description if you want to download it. And as always, thanks for watching.